Shop day. Gonna get these Mammoth Guards installed today. Tired of having exposed engine bay parts. Ruh-roh. We're gonna go through it step by step as best as I can. Loosen the sway bar, drop it down, pull the resi out, and then we can start pulling off these cheap rubber guards. Since I'm never gonna use these again, I don't really need to be pretty with it. Let's go through and take out all these stupid little plastic clips. Last one. All right. Passenger side is a little different than the driver, so leave it in there. Try and line it up as best you can. And you gotta drill out all of these existing holes, make them a little bit bigger for all the rivets. Crucial tool in this install, small block of wood, because there is stuff behind here and you don't want to puncture it, so wedging something in behind it to help protect it while you're drilling through this will make a big difference so you don't end up damaging something else. Now we gotta drill this hole, make it a little bit bigger. Now we gotta bore out the ones on the frame a little bit more. So the kit they give you for the rivet gun, you have to change something, which is you have to add on the silver portion and take out the black one. It comes with a little tool right here. Loosen this nut, squeeze it down, take this out, and then swap it out. So you got to use the silver one, not the black one. Then we're going to take these little rivets and we're going to install them right now. So you want to take this guy here, thread it on. We're going to take our riveting tool, insert it in the hole we just bored, and rivet it down. Once you squeeze it down, then you're going to loosen this nut here, and this will actually take this out of the rivet for you. And then you'll see that it's held in place. Just like that. Ready to go. Now we got to do this one, and all of these other ones that we need for all of our panels. Next, you're going to add the little washer they give you and add a little bit of Loctite to the threads, some glue, and then we're going to thread that in to a few of these, not all of them, once I put this panel on. I'm going to leave this one off for the end because I still have to add 2 more pieces to this, but the bottom ones can definitely go in now. For the passenger side, there's one that's a pain in the butt that's tucked up inside of here. You can't use the riveting tool to get in there, so they give you a little plastic push pin. So the only time you're going to use that is to get up inside of this one up here, and you kind of got to do it blindly, but that's one goes up in there. So we got our plastic push pin in, leaving this one off. Now we're going to take the next section here, tuck this one underneath, and then we're going to check our holes. On this one, we are going to drill one hole in this top one up here in the center. But the other two, these other base ones are only if you have the top plate. I did not opt for the top plate because I beat the crap out of my truck and I don't need it. So only this top one is the only one we're going to have to actually drill that's a new hole. So once you get these in and lined up with your holes, then you're going to mark this top portion on the fender well with a marker so you know where to drill. Then you take your wood block, wedge it back up behind here again, because there is some wiring on the back side here that you don't want to hit. Drill that bad boy out. And again, you take your riveting gun, pop it in there, squeeze like a motherfucker. There it goes. And then you're going to twist this to release it out of the rivet. Now we have the next 2 installed for our next section. We're going to connect here to here to here and work our way across, and then we have one more section to drill out over here. Next we line up our last panel and check and see which holes we need to drill out. So this one down here, and that's it. Last one. Now we're going to line up our next panel. I'll tuck this one behind here, tap this one in over here, like that. And then this top one I use the longer bolt because it's a little bit of a stretch, so it makes it easier to grab. And once we get it lined up, go ahead and tighten down this first one, this one, but we're going to leave this one loose so we can put the last panel in. One thing I am noticing, I'm going to talk to Mammoth Guards about, is the clearance behind this UCA is very, very tight. I have now bent this back a little bit to try and clear it, but I might have to cut this out just to clear this UCA. They claim that it'll fit, but hey, sometimes you gotta make shit fit, you know? Now we're gonna go through at our last section of rivets to the last section of holes we drilled, and tighten these down. Last section of rivets installed. Take our final piece here. I'm gonna go over the top with this one, and tighten all these little bolts basic concept. The instructions are a little confusing, so hopefully this video helps a few of you out, because I couldn't find any videos online on how to do the front end install, only the rear. I did not opt, like I said, for the fancy ones that have the top plate that go over it, but that's what all these extra holes are for. You add the top plate that's decorative and it looks nice and pretty, but I beat the crap out of this truck, so that was not needed. Not for show, all for go. Shout out to MB Custom Fab for letting me use their shop today to get this shit done. God damn, they look good.